Hey everybody, welcome to the Italian Alps. Italy, of course, a country that's not known for its Alps. Rome, the Roman Empire, all the ruins of that time are famous, but Italy does have Alps. In fact, Italy has the entire southern rim of the Alps. So the Italian Alps border, the French, the Swiss, the Austrian, and even the Slovenian Alps on their north side. The peculiar thing about the Italian Alps is that they are steeper on average than the other Alps, and that's because from the Italian Alps point of view, sea level is really close. The Adriatic, the Tyrrhenian seas are really close by, and so base level, remember the term, is near. The distance to the vertical distance to base level is the same. The horizontal distance to base level is very near in the Italian Alps compared to the other Alps, and that means stronger erosion, very steep mountains, very steep glaciers as well. At the time that there were still glaciers, I saw a lot of smoothed rocks over in my walk today, which indicates that glaciers were smoothing them over, we're eroding this landscape very steeply down. But also, and this is why I took this video today here, is that we have other processes that erode and remove material from higher hill slopes, bringing them to the streams so the streams can bring them steeply down to other streams and ultimately to the ocean, or to the seas, really. And one of them is in evidence behind me, and I'll let you take a look at this for a second. So we see a very steep mountain face up there, very steep, and then here there's a wide gully. If you want to call it a gully, it's more a drainage pattern, drainage system. And do you see the snow here and there? And do you see that there's a lot of wood and plant debris in this, kind of stream bed? If you do, you're looking at the remains of a snow avalanche that has thundered down here. I'm going to guess it's at the end of the winter season when the last snows melt and make their way down. When that's big enough, when that's strong enough, we're going to be bringing down all sorts of materials that sliding snow encounters. On occasion, that can be rock, that can be sand, that can be soil material, but many times it is whatever is on the soil that the avalanche transports with it. And I'll give you a little further view down here. Look at those trees that are in the channel, especially this big one over here. All of that's been transported with a very large avalanche. Must have been an event to watch, at least from a distance. It's especially interesting that we see this so clearly here because very often you do not see the impact of an avalanche anymore. When the snow is really gone, imagine those two patches gone, it would be really hard to see all of this, what we are looking at here, as the impact of an avalanche. We might think, well, that's just erosion, or maybe it's rockfall from the cliffs up there, and maybe a tree fell down the cliff as well. But no, it really is a snow avalanche that has a rather unique pattern, a rather unique impact of erosion. So hooray for snow avalanches. See you later. This was the Italian Alps.